Hello everyone. Today we will study about water vapor and dust particle, which is an ongoing topic related to composition of atmosphere. Before starting our today topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So water vapor. Water vapor decreases with altitude. So with increasing altitude, the water vapor decreases. In warm and wet tropics, it may account for 4% of air by volume, while in the dry and cold area of desert and polar region it may be less than 1% of air. So this is also important point that in a it contains 4% in warm and wet environment, and in cold and dry environment it consists only of 1% of air. Water vapor also decreases from the equator towards the poles. It also absorbs parts of insolation from the sun and preserves the earth's radiated heat. This is also an important point. It thus acts like a blanket, allowing the earth neither to become too cold nor too hot. So this is also an important point. It acts like a blanket and it helps to control the cold and warm environment. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.